Is friction good or bad? Is it necessary or can we do without it? Say you're holding a bottle of water in your hand. Do you think you'd have been able to hold on to it if there was no friction? To take you close to the idea of what no friction means, just imagine the bottle surface being very oily. If the surface of the bottle is slippery, do you think you'd be able to hold on to it? Absolutely not. It would just slip out of your hands, right? Say you're standing on the ground and about to start a race. Do you think you'd be able to go forward if there was no friction? Again, to imagine what no friction feels like, assume that the surface is very greasy. You'll just slip and fall. Yes, it's friction that helped Usain Bolt win the race. We'll not even be able to write anything in our notebook if there was no friction. The tip of the pen would just slide away. Without friction, a moving object wouldn't stop and a stationary object wouldn't move. Without friction, it would be an entirely different world. A world in which nothing would be functioning efficiently. So does that mean friction is good? Do you know the main reason for the wear and tear of various machine parts? Yes, friction is the reason. Do you remember hurting your knees when you fell on the ground? It happens because of the friction between your knees and the ground. Friction also wastes a lot of our energy. If not for friction, the machine parts wouldn't need energy to continue functioning. Cars would need no fuel to continue running, and so on. We could have saved a lot of our fossil fuels. Now try rubbing your hands really fast. What do you notice? Yes, your hands get a little hot. Friction is known to generate heat too. A lot of heat energy is wasted. So is friction good or bad? Even though friction is a pain sometimes, it's absolutely necessary. Energy spent to overcome it is totally worth it. Everything you see functioning around you is because of friction. Okay, let me end this video with a question. Can we control friction? Can we increase or reduce the friction between surfaces? To know the answer, watch our next video.